Hey guys, g'day guys, Shane from RC Note 1. Today I'm going to have a crack at redoing this little cute beastie. It's an Austin A50 made in England by Lesney. It's number 36. I forgot to look up its year, but as you can see it's a bit of paint missing. Apart from that, she's in pretty good nick. This thing is so small. Sits on me, pretty much fits on my thumb. If I could stay still. Today is going to be the first day that I have a crack at, mixing up some paint. So first I'm going to have a crack at mixing the colour, and then I'll get back to you with how it looks with the mix. Alright guys, I'm back finally. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 goes, I'm going to go with this one here. It's probably nowhere near it, but maybe after it's painted out, sprayed out, it'll turn out similar. It's a combination of blue, white, couple of drops of black, couple of drops of grey, silver, whatever it is. Anyway, next I'm going to just obviously drill out the rivet and then pop the body into some paint stripper, and then I'll be back with you in a second. Alright guys, the body's in the stripper. Getting the paint off it. Just need the wheels off the axles so I can clean it up. This one's a bit seized, so I'm gonna be very gentle and get some WD-40 or something, and there it goes. Anyway, I'm gonna get these little wheels off, strip the paint, polish it. Sadly though, looks like the little tow bar's missing, so I might have to just cut that off. And you focused, and yeah, just not have one, and it won't be a full resto, it'll be just a kind of a resto. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. Hey guys, I'm back finally. Just wanted to say, have a look at the detail on this little car. Such a sweet little car. It's beautiful. Badge on the front. I don't know if you guys can see it. Grille, bumper, little hood ornament there. There's, I'm guessing, what would have been a chrome stripe around there. Hinges on the boot. For the boot, 2 little hinges, little overriders, little, guessing that's just a center chrome strip. Tiny door handles. Just an amazing little car. Pretty happy with how it's coming out so far. The bottom, so what she looks like. Anyway, I'm going to get back to it and get it cleaned and washed and degreased, and then we'll try and slap some paint on it. Right, back shortly. Hey guys, you alright? Are you ready? It's the first time I've ever done this, so please don't laugh too hard. Sorry, totally out of shot. doesn't totally suck. God, in the shot. Sorry everyone. Right, that's the first, I don't know, 25 coats. Now I might let it sit up for a little bit and then see how it goes. Thanks for sticking around everyone, muchly appreciated. Hey guys, back. Base is all painted, put back together. What I did with these is just to re-crimp the ends. Just got me pliers and gave them a good squeeze and flattened out the side again. And yeah, they turned out alright. This one now I'm fireless and get it sorted out. Now I'm gonna stick it back together and give you the final look at. Guys, here it is. Colour match is probably not too great, but anyway, I'm really happy with it. Really happy with it. Such a sweet little car. Paint's turned out brilliantly. I'm so happy with it. No idea. Yeah, it's really good. I'm really happy. Yeah, I just want to thank everyone for having a look. And yeah, and stay tuned because this is what's coming up next. So yeah, anyway, thanks for checking it out and sticking around. Give it a like if you want, otherwise yeah, whatever. Thanks for your time. See ya.